Hi Matt, this is also Matt over at Mercedes. I just wanted to show you the, so originally we were looking at a GLE 450. We do still have that vehicle. However, I also wanted to show you this right here is the 350 if you don't need the engine of the other one. So you get a lot of the similar features, but just want to kind of do a quick walk around. This one hasn't been completely cleaned up yet, but wanted to show you everything. Actually, let's take a look at the front again. Nice LED lights. So this one actually has kind of a mocha interior. You can see it is a kind of a brownish color, nice neutral. Go wide angle for a second. So fairly similar interior than what you saw before, but you know, that way if you don't really need the power of the other one, you could go with a 350, but either choice is yours. Just let me know what works. So we got some of the same features like ventilated, heated seats, same power inside that you saw before, and yeah.